Good morning. I'm installing a raw water strainer on my 2020 FX Cruiser HOs. You'll need a raw water strainer, 3/4 inch inlet, 5/8 inch nylon elbows. You'll need one 5/8 to 5/8 splicer, some hose, cutters, tie wraps. A flashlight helps. The long extension needle nose pliers helps. The short handled pliers and the long handled, a 12mm ratchet socket, and a 12mm wrench. Now you have to pull this plate first in order to get down in where we got to go to that water connection where the red hose is attached. I'll show you in a few minutes. Holding this arrangement down, lift it out. Now you have room to actually get down in there and hook up the raw water strainer. Make up your first connection hose and add the 1-inch hose I got at Lowe's at the garden department as a chafe gear and also a shaper, so when you bend these hoses they don't collapse. I've installed the second raw water strainer on the sister FX HO wave runner I bought for my wife. Again, the feed hose comes in to the filter here, discharges there, goes around with the protective covering on it that won't let it kink, looped it back into the feed of the engine. Okay, there you go. No sand, dirt, and debris going in our engines. See ya.